Loosen the screws and remove the stem cap. Loosen the clamping screws on the side of the stem. Remove the entire handlebar. Remove the gasket. Loosen the clamping screws on the front fork protection plate. Remove the front fork protection plate. Remove the anti-collision washer. Remove the fixing screws of the lamp brackets on both sides. Disconnect the light wire. Remove the front light. Loosen the two fixing screws. Remove the caliper brake. Remove the front fork. Loosen the nut. Remove the gasket. Front fork disassembly completed. Install gasket and nut. Tighten with a wrench. The operation method on the other side is the same. Install the front fork back into the frame. Installing front light. Tighten the screws with a wrench. Install the anti-collision washer. Install the front fork protection plate. Install handlebar. Adjust angle. Install the stem cap and tighten the screws. Tighten the clamping screws on the side of the stem. Tighten the 3 clamping screws of the front fork fixing plate. Installing brake line pipe. Installing caliper brake. Be careful not to tighten the screws completely. Pinch the corresponding brake lever tightly and do not let go. Fully tighten the screws. Be careful not to forget to connect the light wires. Installation is complete.